Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can manage and organize sections on a Facebook page. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Facebook. So once you open Facebook, you simply need to select your page. And once you select your page, you simply need to click on more. Scroll down and here you can see an option of manage sections. Click on that. And some sections you cannot change as you can see, but some sections you can add and remove. So if I want to remove book section, so click on that, TV program, films, save. So now you can see that these sections are removed. So this is a process by which you can manage and organize sections on a Facebook page. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.